Hello friends, in this video you'll learn Python programming by Shaik Simrah Fatimah. Let's start. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991, Python emphasizes code readability with its significant use of indentation. It is an open source language with a vast community and extensive libraries. Next, features of Python. Simple and easy to learn. Python's syntax resembles plain English, making it beginner-friendly. Example, print Hello World for displaying text. Interpreted language. Python executes codes by line, which simplifies debugging. Dynamically typed. No need to specify variables types. Example, x is equal to 10, not int x is equal to 10. Platform independent. Python code can run on multiple platforms, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, without changes. Extensive libraries. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib enable advanced applications in data science, machine learning, web development, etc. Object-oriented. Python supports classes and objects, making it powerful for complex applications. Next, applications of Python. Web development. Frameworks like Django Flask. Data science. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Machine learning and AI. TensorFlow, PyTorch. Scripting and automation. Automating repetitive tasks. Game development, Pygame. Internet of Things, IoT. Raspberry Pi programming. Next, writing your first Python program. Step 1. Open a Python environment, IDLE, Jupyter Notebook, or a text editor. Step 2. Write the following code. Print. Welcome to Python programming. Step 3. Run the script. The output will be Welcome to Python programming. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for seeing this video.